want to turn your passion into a steady income stream? Well, I did, and today I'm going to share my journey with you. From my first video, struggling to learn editing, to now earning thousands of dollars from multiple faceless channels. This story is packed with tips and insights you don't want to miss. Stay tuned until the end, and I'll reveal how you can start making money online too, even if you're just starting out. On May 26, 2023, I uploaded my very first video to this channel. At that time, I was just starting out with video editing, barely managing to upload 2 to 3 videos a month. But I had this unwavering belief that one day I could turn this channel into something amazing. So I doubled down on learning, and with each passing day, my editing skills improved. Then, on October 3rd, 2023, my channel hit a major milestone. It got monetized. And just a day later, I made my first dollar. From that moment, I kept pushing forward, creating more content and watching my earnings grow. Now, I'm generating a significant passive income from this channel alone. But that's just the beginning. I'm also running 2 to 3 more faceless channels, plus TikTok and Instagram accounts, all bringing in thousands of dollars. Not only me, but many faceless channels are doing this and earning thousands of dollars without any hard work. And you can also do this. Let's know how. First, you need to decide on a niche for your channel. It could be anything like making money online, tutorials, finance, how-to content, or educational topics. It's best to choose a niche based on your passion. A good way to find your passion is by looking at what you watch most on YouTube. That's usually a sign of what you're interested in. For example, I used to watch a lot of videos about AI, which made me realize that AI is my passion. That's why I created a channel in the AI niche. This way, you can easily find your niche. But sometimes, you might choose a niche where big YouTubers already dominate. Avoid doing this. The solution is to work in a sub-niche of that high competition area. By doing this, your channel can grow faster in less time. For example, instead of mobile or laptop review content, you could focus on newly launched mini gadgets or a new game that has just been released. If you're creating a faceless channel and want to build its brand value, you must use an AI avatar. You can use this avatar as a brand character in every video and thumbnail. Many YouTube channels follow this strategy. They have their own avatar that they consistently use in every video and thumbnail to maintain their brand value. You can do the same by creating a realistic avatar that helps establish your channel's identity. You can use Wondershare Virbo, the most affordable AI avatar generator, to create an AI avatar. You can start for just $9 per month, and the best part is that you can use it on mobile, Windows, or Mac devices. I'll include the link in the description below so you can check it out. Once you sign up for Virbo, you'll see a dashboard where you can find a wide range of realistic AI avatars, some of which are even used by these 2 popular YouTube channels. For them, this AI avatar is not just a character. It has become their brand. You should do the same by choosing an avatar. I recommend selecting one with a fixed background because they are all in 4K and look very realistic. I'll select this one. After selecting an avatar, you'll have plenty of options. Virbo offers many AI voices that sound quite realistic, so you can choose a voiceover that matches your character. And yes, Virbo also has a voice clone feature, which is very useful. Once you clone your voice, you can use it in every video, giving your channel a unique voice that no one else can use. So definitely give it a try. All right, I'll choose a voiceover now. After that, you can adjust the speed, pitch, and volume of the voice. By the way, if you already have an audio script, you can upload it directly here. Before exporting, let me tell you that you can customize everything in Virbo, like templates, backgrounds, text, stickers, and background music. Once everything is set, you can export your avatar in 4K. Let's check out the final output.
Want to turn your passion into a steady income stream? Well, I did, and today I'm going to share my journey with you. From my first video, struggling to learn editing, to now earning thousands of dollars from multiple faceless channels.
Amazing, right? This is how you can create a realistic AI avatar for your channel. One more thing to keep in mind, use the same character in every video and thumbnail to maintain your channel's identity. So decide which character will work best for you. All right, once you've created your avatar, your channel's branding is set, and you've got your profile picture ready. The next step is to find trending and popular video ideas. To do that, you need to follow my strategy. You can create the best avatar, write a great script, and design an attractive thumbnail. But trust me, if your video topic isn't good, your channel won't grow. When your channel is new, you might face some difficulties, but remember, every problem has a solution. Just follow my strategy. You need to find all the channels in your category on YouTube and observe what kind of videos they're making and whether those videos are getting good views. If your competitors' videos are performing well, make a list of similar topics and try to create videos on those topics. Follow this strategy until your channel starts growing. Once you have a good number of subscribers, brands related to your niche will reach out to you to create videos, which is called brand deals and sponsorships. sponsorships. This is where some people earn thousands of dollars, and you can too. We'll talk more about this later. After getting a video idea, I start preparing the script. I don't know how other creators write their scripts. Some write the script before doing a screen recording, while others do the screen recording first and then write the script while watching the recording. In my case, I do the screen recording first and then write the script. But this scenario usually applies when you're making a tutorial video or reviewing software. You can watch your competitors' videos and take inspiration from them to write your own script, but don't make the mistake of copying the entire script. In the first 30 seconds, you need to hook the audience so that they watch the video longer and you get a good retention rate. Don't start your script with, "Hello, I'm John, subscribe to my channel," etc. That trend is outdated. Now you need to use words from the beginning that create curiosity in the audience, making them think something unique is going to happen in the video. Also, try to add some funny elements so the audience doesn't get bored. You've probably seen videos from big YouTubers. There's something happening every second in their videos. You should aim to do something similar. Some people rely entirely on ChatGPT to write their scripts, but the result is that the script ends up sounding robotic, lacking a natural and human touch. Don't do this. If you do, YouTube will never boost your videos. There's even a possibility that a new YouTube update could permanently delete your channel. So don't make that mistake. Yes, you can use ChatGPT for help, but it's not a good habit to depend entirely on it. Now that we have our AI avatar and video script ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover. Before AI tools were available, people used to hire voiceover artists from platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. But the trend has changed. Now, AI can save you money, and all faceless channels are using AI voices. There are many AI tools available for voiceovers, and you can use any of them. But you don't need to go anywhere else because with Wondershare Virbo, you can generate both AI avatars and realistic AI voices. This way, you can get both tasks done using just one tool, saving you both money and time. I've already explained how to generate voiceovers in Virbo in step 3. Just go to Virbo, paste your script, choose a voiceover, and generate the voice. It's very simple, guys, so make sure to check the link in the description. So now we have our voiceover as well. The next step is video editing. If your script is good and your voiceover is spot on, but you fail to show what your audience really wants to see during video editing, then trust me, my friends, your audience won't watch the video in full or they might skip through it, which is not good for your channel. Even if you spent 4 days writing the script, it won't matter if the video editing isn't good enough. All that effort will be wasted. I agree that in the beginning, you might not be able to do pro-level video editing, but as you get new video ideas and keep creating videos, your editing skills will improve. However, if you have the budget, you can hire an editor. You can find video editors on Fiverr, Upwork, or even through social media platforms like Instagram X, formerly Twitter, and LinkedIn. The problem is that in the beginning, you might not have the budget to hire someone, or the budget might be limited. In this case, you have 2 options. Either learn editing yourself or find an editor who can do intermediate level editing for you. Then, when your budget allows, you can hire a pro editor. As for me, I edit my own videos, but soon I'm planning to hire a video editor. If any of you are good at editing, feel free to comment. Alright, so that's how you should approach video editing and how you can outsource it. If you want to know my editing process, let's dive into that. As I mentioned earlier, I first do the screen recording, then write the script based on the recording, and finally generate the voiceover. After that, I take everything into Adobe Premiere Pro, where I do the video editing. First, I remove any pauses from the voiceover, then I match the voiceover with the screen recording. This part is the most crucial and time-consuming. After matching the voiceover and recording, I add graphics, effects, transitions, and sound effects in the first 30 seconds. This time frame is critical because it's when you need to keep your audience engaged. Once all of that is done, I render the video. It might sound easy, but trust me, it's not. Sometimes it takes me up to 2 days to finalize a video. So that's how I edit my videos. Next comes the thumbnail. Believe it or not, just like having a great script, voiceover and video editing is crucial. Having an eye-catching thumbnail is equally important. Without a clickable thumbnail, no one will click on your video even if YouTube suggests it on the home screen. Why? Because the thumbnail isn't compelling enough. To put it simply, if the thumbnail is good, people will click on it and then your scripting and video editing will be appreciated. This is why all these elements must be top-notch to boost your video. But how do you design a good thumbnail? Many people use Canva, and there's nothing wrong with that. You can easily create thumbnails using templates in Canva. However, if you want to create a high CTR thumbnail, I think it's not possible with Canva alone. A high CTR thumbnail can be created in Photoshop. If you look at the thumbnails of all these faceless channels, they're made in Photoshop and are highly clickable. If you don't know Photoshop, you can learn how to design thumbnails. Or don't worry, you can get a thumbnail designed for a very low price on Fiverr or Upwork. This is what I do as well. You can get a high CTR thumbnail made for just $5. Remember to always include your avatar in your thumbnail to maintain your thumbnail's identity. If you want a video tutorial on thumbnail designing, let me know in the comments and I'll bring a tutorial for you. Alright, so make sure your thumbnail is highly clickable. If you successfully grow your faceless channel, trust me, you'll have many opportunities to make money. First, you can generate passive income through AdSense. Based on my experience, if you get 200K monthly views, you can earn almost $1,000 from AdSense. The next way to earn is through brand deals. Did you know that for a big YouTube creator, the earnings from AdSense only make up about 5 to 10% of their total income? This is because once you start getting sponsorships, you can charge more for a brand promotion than what you earn from AdSense in a month. And this is not a joke. It's a fact, guys. The third revenue source is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a passive income stream for many YouTubers. You won't believe it, but if you promote a good product and the video gets good views, you can earn more from affiliate marketing than from brand deals. Affiliate marketing provides recurring commissions every month, making it a great source of passive income. Another source of income is selling your own course or building a community. You've probably noticed that every successful YouTuber sells their course. They sell what they are experts in as a course, and creators can earn not just thousands, but even millions of dollars from this income source. A related source of income is selling digital products. Digital products could be courses, templates, editing presets, etc. By selling these, you can help others while also generating a new revenue source for yourself. These are some of the popular methods through which you can make money. So this was the complete blueprint of how I create faceless videos and how you can do it too. Trust me, I haven't hidden anything. This is exactly what I follow, and you'll need to do the same. All right, that's it for today. I hope you found this complete blueprint helpful. If yes, then you can check out this video where I've shared insights about a new YouTube automation niche.